Friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I am going to discuss the resolution of forces problem. For that they will find the resultant and directions of the given system of forces. Already we discussed two problems before this. Now another type problems. What problems they given? See here. The forces of 40 Newton, 60 Newton, 80 Newton, 100 Newton and 120 Newton. These are the forces. Act on one of the angular point means this is the hexagon. One of the angular point. Suppose we'll assume this is the one of the angular point. One of the angular point of a regular hexagon towards the other five angular points. From this point to towards the other 5 points, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, towards the point taken in order. So that what is the taken in order? The forces. So just I will draw here one more time. So how to draw the hexagon? See here. Before this hexagon, now what is the interior angle of this hexagon? Interior angle. Interior angle of the hexagon. 2 minus n into 1 by 180 degree. This is called interior angle of the any polygon. Angle of, you can say, of polygon. Polygon means anything. Suppose this is triangle. Suppose triangle. What is the inside angle? What is the inner angle? So see, n is equal to n minus 2. N minus 2 into 180 degree. So n is equal to 3. So 3 minus 2 into 180. So this is called 180 degree. So triangle. Triangle you will see the inner angle. Interior angle is 180. Suppose the parallelogram or rectangle whatever 4. So n is equal to 4 minus 2 into 180. So this is coming 360 degree. If you will see the pentagon, pentagon should be like this. Join this. Pentagon. Pentagon of 5 into 2. N minus 2 then n minus 2 into 180. So this will be 3 into 540. 540 now, just I'll check it. 3 into 180. 3 into 180. Nothing but 540, correct. So pentagon inner angle. So that means total interior angle. This sum pentagon will be 540. Triangle will be 180. This sum of the all the angle will be 360. Suppose hexagon. Hexagon means 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 4 into 180. 4 into 180. How much coming? 4 into 180. That is coming 720. 720. What is? All the hexagon. All the interior angle of the hexagon. This angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. Each will be 120. Each will be 120. The total will be 720. 720. If we will divide by 6, how much coming? 120. So each angle will be 120. This 120, 120, 120, 120, 120, 120. So each angle will be 120. That only we should know. So okay. Then what they're asking? Each force will be we will draw this diagram. Act on one of the angular point. One of the angular point. Suppose we are taking 0. One of the angular point of a regular hexagon towards the other 5 points are angular points. This. So we will extend this. This is one of the force. How much? 40 Newton. 40 Newton. Then another angular point. So from this point only, if we will extend this, this will be 60 Newton. Again another this one. This point will be another point. How much? 80 Newton. Then next will be this point. This will be 100 Newton. Then last one is angular point of this. This will be 120 Newton. So they given in the language, but this is the diagram we plotted. So see, one of the angular point O, OA, OB, OC, OD, OE. These are all the points. So one of the angular points of a regular hexagon towards the other 5 angular points. Then they're asking find the magnitude of the resultant and direction. So this is again came system of force. System force nothing but see, I told already more than two forces or group of forces. These are the system of known as system forces. So similar method what we followed before also. So same method we will solve this question. So see here. Already I told tabular column method mistake chance will be 0%. You know or not these questions. If you know the fill the table, problem gets solved. So see, first stage what is serial number. So 5 forces are 5. Name of the forces OA, OB, OC, OD, OE. Now magnitude of the forces what is 40. If you have force in Newton, if you write here the force in Newton, so Newton should not write here, then 60, then next will be 80, then will be 100, then 120. I wrote. This is the magnitude of force. So direction of the forces. So now look here. This corner, no, this point, we're taking this one. This is 120 degree. How many triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 120 divided by 4 is equal to 30. 30 degree. So this angle will be 30 degree. This angle again 30 degree. Then this also will be 30 degree. And this also will be 30 degree. So all angles we know now. So direction of the forces will take now first horizontal line. Horizontal line means already know 0 degree. 60 Newton. 60 Newton how much? 30 degree. Then C. Already I told we'll add all the angle from the base angle OA. So this 0, 30, then 30 plus 30, 60 degree. Then again 30, 30, 30. This is 90 degree. 90 degree. Then this 120 degree. So here we are taking from all the angle from the first horizontal line OA. Okay, this method we will follow. So directions I wrote. Now I already told horizontal means will be the cos component. Horizontal means cos component. So I am writing, see here, cos I wrote. Then this sine, then sine, sine. Why I wrote this? Because already we discussed a lot of times. Horizontal force, cos component we are taking. Vertical force we are taking sine component. So see here, if you will take sine theta, P by H. P nothing but FB by H. So FB coming as sine theta. So vertical I am taking all sine component. Cos theta, B by H. Each and every time I am discussing this. So H. So FH is equal to H cos theta. That's why horizontal we are taking cos component. So horizontal means cos, vertical means sine. Now what I will do? We'll write the force here. Here 0 degree. Here you write 60, force angle 30 degree. Here you write 80, force is 80, degree is 60. 100, degree is 90. 120 force, then 120 angle. You can keep here. So, okay, that bracket will take. Similar thing here, 40, 0 degree. 60, 30 degree. 80, 60 degree. All degree. 100, 90 degree. 120, 120 degree. Now look here. All the angles just take in bracket, that looks good. or this is the method to write this angle. So I taken what I did. Seeing this diagram, I fill the table. Now we have to write all the values. So cos 0, 1. So only it will come 40. So horizontal force, vertical component will be 0. I know. 60 cos 30. That value and all I will calculate it. So I will write. You have to do the calculator. You have to use the calculator and see this value. So 60 cos 30, it will come 51.962. 962. Then 80 cos 60, it will come 40. It will come 40. 100 cos 90, because cos 90 0. So vertical component, horizontal will be 0. Then this is magnitude itself, 100 only. 120 minus 60. Minus 60. Here 60 sin 30. So this will be the 30. This is 80 sin 60. 80 sin 60, 69.282. 69.282. This we are using the calculator and we have to calculate. 103.923. So this value how you calculate? Take the calculator, operate the cos, 0 bracket close, into equal to, then into 40. So it will come. Again cos, bracket start 30 degree, 30 just you write, equal to into 60. So all the value will come. Now all value will add. 40 plus this minus this. How much will come? Sigma FH. Sigma FH is coming 71.96. 71.96. They given here Newton. So this will be Newton. Sigma FV 303.205. 303.205 Newton. If you add here 30 plus this this will be the plus only. So sine 121. So we'll check. How we'll check? You check it. See here. Suppose we'll take sine. Take the sine 120. Close the bracket, equal to, into 120. So coming 103.923. So correct. So all value we have to write like this. Then what is the resultant formula? Sigma FH whole square plus sigma FB whole square. This is the formula for the resultant. So this value will write here. What is sigma FH means 71.96 whole square plus 303.205 whole square root under. If we'll solve this value is coming. Already we calculated. So if we will calculate this, resultant is coming 311.627 Newton, because this given forces Newton. Then direction of the forces tan theta is equal to sigma FB by sigma FH. This is the formula for the finding the direction. Sigma FB by sigma FH. Sigma FB 303.205 divided by this if we will do here. So ratio will come here 4.214. 4.214. Then how to operate? Shift, then tan, then this value equal to answer will come. Shift, tan, this value enter, bracket close. So this angle will come 76 degree, 0.65 inch. So we can 76.65 degree also can write. This is the direction. So we know now what is the resultant, what is the direction. Now how to represent the answer? This is the itself the answer. Resultant R is equal to, this is the answer, direction, this is the answer. If you want to represent the answer, draw one line here. See here. Here. If we'll draw like this one line, now both is positive, sigma FH. So sigma FH, this side, that value you have to write. Then sigma FB also positive, sigma FB also positive. Now angle how much? 76, first coordinate. So 76, if we write R value here, This you write 76.65. This is the answer for this particular problem. This is the answer for this answer representation. So everything is there. Sigma FH value this you write 71.96. Sigma FB you write 303.205. Resultant, where the resultant from the base angle 76.65. So this way we can solve. So these questions and all, if you are solving this method, this is called just blind method. You know or not, fill the table, seeing this diagram, add, substitute, all the negative and all where is coming, that calculator they will give. So we are not resolving the forces. I'm not taking the sign convention. That also method is there. If you resolve also, same things will come. So okay says, watch this video and share this video to your friends so they can get also benefit. Okay, thank you.